You may remember the horrible story of Gabby Petito and Brian Laundrie. At one point, they were boyfriend-girlfriend, and eventually he murdered her and then killed himself. Her parents today hired lawyers to file a lawsuit against the Moab, Utah Police Department. That's where the police showed up. She had calmed down. He seemed normal. The police interviewed the two of them, separated them for a day, went back, put them back together, and let them go. The theory of the parents' case is that the police failed to perform an adequate investigation, failed to detect Brian's murderous impulses, and thus failed to save Gabby's life. I wish that such a lawsuit could prevail, but it can't. We just discussed this the other day in the Uvalde, Texas killings as to whether the parents of the children who were slaughtered because the police failed to go into the classroom to stop the killer would prevail. And the answer is no, because of something called the DeShaney Doctrine. DeShaney is the name of a Supreme Court opinion in which the Supreme Court ruled, Justice Scalia of all people, that the police cannot be sued for failure to intervene in the commission of a crime. It's a terrible decision, in my opinion. It means that the police could watch a bank robbery, a rape, a murder, and do nothing, and the victim of any one of those crimes cannot sue the police. The theory of the case is that the police and the civilians who run the police have the authority to invest their resources and spend their assets as they see fit. And since they can't be everywhere all the time, they are not responsible for stopping a crime in progress or even anticipating a crime. It's a very, very harsh decision. The police should have detected something in Brian's demeanor or in Gabby's demeanor to at least have followed them for a while rather than let them go, but they didn't. That's my view. That's a moral argument, but it's not a legal argument. Depending upon the attitude of the judge, the case will be dismissed. The judge may even fine the lawyers for filing a case, since when you file a case in federal court that goes against what the Supreme Court has said the law is, it's deemed frivolous, and you can be made to pay the legal fees of the people who resist the case, which in this case will be the lawyers for the police or the lawyers for the insurance company of the police. Terrible outcome here all around. Gabby's dead. She died a horrible death. Brian's dead. He died a horrible death. The police dropped the ball. They're going to get off scot-free. It's wrong, and it's damn wrong.